Hi, I'm Joe with RDI, and I'm here to bring you the first in a series of videos with tips and tricks for our products. Here we have our final line railing system, which in the instructions we tell you to create an equal spacing at the end of the rail. Now this normally involves two marks that you can see here, where I'd make two cuts to create that equal spacing. Now all of our vinyl rail systems are aluminum reinforced. There's an aluminum stiffener inside, which would normally mean two cuts through vinyl and aluminum, one on each side. Today I'm going to show you a tip that'll help save you one cut of aluminum, helping preserve that saw blade and give it a little more life. Now in order to save a cut of the aluminum, you can see our aluminum stiffener hanging out of the vinyl here. We need to push it into the rail past the point where we're going to cut it. So we're going to give it a push and make sure it's past this point here. And you can actually see where now the aluminum will be sticking out of the other half of the rail there. And we're going to make our cut right here. Okay, now we've spun the rail around so you can see the second cut mark here. And the important thing is you have to make sure the aluminum is flush with this end of the rail. We don't want any aluminum hanging out the rail. We don't want it to be too far in. We need it to be flush with the rail here. And what that'll leave is extra aluminum hanging out this side, which is the same amount that we push back into the rail. So when we make this cut, this will be through vinyl and aluminum. And we'll have our piece cut to the correct length with only this cut going through the aluminum. Our installation is now complete. The only thing left to do is enjoy a libation on your new deck. For complete installation instructions and videos, go to rdirail.com.